Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I look like a mess. Don't mind me. Yo, I don't know how to act because I have a mic. Literally. Yo, give it up to superwigs.com for telling me this wig. Okay. Lace. This is my first time ever having an HD lace, so I'm not sure what to expect. I really don't know. Wait, so apparently this is supposed to melt. Just melt. Wow. Wait, did it just melt? Wow. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you that this is the inside. This look bleached to me. For elastic band. My crab cavoli. Oh god, I can't help that. Okay, I need to stop playing with you. I need to make this video. I know I just found a way to fix my mic and I don't know how to act with it. It's annoying. So I tried to apply this wig like this gorgeous YouTuber that I follow on YouTube. I love her. She does oh my god, her makeup, her wig's always on point. I tried to do it her way. I think her name is Louisa, and I said that wrong. I'm sorry about that. I tried to put her name below, but I tried to do it her way. It did not really work for me, or maybe I did not really follow her tutorial the right way. Okay, so I had to kind of like find my way to do it. So I applied the spray on top of the wigs. Maybe I didn't apply enough spray. Maybe I was trying to be stingy with the spray. That could be why it didn't, turn out to be great. But it was okay. It was okay actually. It just that though, like if you can see right now, like what I'm trying to like cut the lace, like it was already lifted and I was home. Imagine like this have to stay on my head for like 13 to 14 hours, so basically I have to make sure it's glued down regardless of the method that I use. I would have to try her technique again, maybe watch the video again, but hers was flawless. Okay, mine was crap, but I did the best that I can. Okay, so I'm gonna keep on applying the wigs and I will talk to you later about what I like and what I hate about this wig. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, just because they say it's lace does not mean you're gonna just stop snapping on and go. Like, it's better now, it looks more natural. Whew, child, I'm late for work right now because of my hair. This is like emergency. And I cannot go to my work looking like hell now. I can't do that. I've been going looking at hell now for the whole week already. So I figure I'll do my hair. But when it's come to lace, no matter what you do, it requires some work. I can switch it up after this dry. You know what? I'm gonna do my makeup. Guys, so I think I'm gonna have to kind of like redo this video. I thought that HIS was supposed to be on Mimicalist. You just put it on and that's it. But turn out it's not because I struggled with it a lot. I did, I'm not gonna lie. The struggle was well. I kind of managed, to do something to kind of like fix it well, just enough to go to work, but the struggle was well. Until now, I'm not sure if the front is straight or not. Me and the front, I'm still trying. Okay. So one thing I hate is middle part because with me, I can never find my middle part. I can never. Okay? Ever. I'm just gonna put this in a ponytail and go to work because I don't have time for it no more. I'm tired. But oh fucking hell, I gotta go. I know it's not what I expected either, but I'm done. I gotta go, so I have to do this video another day again. But at least you got the pleasure to see how the list look like before I mess it up. I'm gonna have to blame myself for it, not really the company. I'm done. That's it. I gotta go. Bye bye. So I'll see you when I fix it again. But today it's not it. It's just very bad. It's okay, but it's not it. Okay, so I'll see you next time. Okay, I feel like this video is all over the place, but bear with me. So this is another quick style you can do with this wig, and it still does look very natural. So I'm always going to work. Okay, I know that it's annoying for you guys to hear me say I'm going to work all the time, but shit, I'm always going to work. Okay, so I waited because I needed some curl on it for today. So I guess this is the curl. I just have to put some clothes on. It's not that bad. But let me call the Uber. I don't want to be late. But this time I feel like it's better. So listen, I feel like I try my best with this wig. It's not a bad wig. It's just like I had to learn how to apply HD lace. It's the same thing as a regular lace for me. It looks natural, but I feel like you still have to put some powder. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just give you guys a close-up of the lace look like. It does look as natural. I mean, I can see. If you're very close to me, you might see something. But if you're not, the chances of you seeing something is literally zero. But back up this hair the whole time. Nope, hold on. So this is the last video of this hair. I'm not going back. So this is the back. I'm not one person that's be crazy about loose wave. I feel like lately what I like is straight hair or curly hair. So I wish this was a really deep wave. That's my only thing. But then again, I feel like I'm gonna curl it and, you know, do something different with it. So for you to see more of this here, I will say follow me on Instagram. That will be the best way for you to find out what really happened to this hair. But so far, we're just gonna keep it at this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like always, I love you. And the hair, remember, was from freaking hair. I'll put the name somewhere for you. But that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I gotta go. I'm tired. Today it's my second day of my it's my second day. So basically that's how I will work it to work. That's literally how I will wear it to go to work. I mean, of course, it will be a little bit better than that, but most likely that's how it does. It did shed a little bit. I'm not gonna lie about that. I did a little bit. And of course, if you when you first receive the hair, when it comes to loose wave or curly hair, sometimes you might get some shedding. But this hair did shed a little bit more than I'm used to, but it stopped shedding now, so which was surprising me. After I wash it, it stopped shedding. Every day for work I do the same fucking routine. I don't know, I never trust my baby hair to stay until I go to work. I don't know why, it's strange. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Like always, I love you so much. Subscribe, like, comment. I'm done with this hair. I'm not gonna say nothing about this hair. I'm not gonna even go back to this hair. Now I think my real problem with this hair, I'm gonna say it, is the length. Okay, I'm one person. It's either I do bob or I go 20 inches or 18 inches in.
You know, I love my hair to be long. I think that's really my struggle with this hair. That's why at first I didn't like it. But it's a perfect, you know, like natural type of look. But I'm sorry. People know I cut my hair. So for me, I like my hair long because I did the hair wig, everybody know it's a freaking wig. You know? Like do it short, do it long, it's a freaking wig. Everybody does that. I want it to be long. So that would be my problem with this wig. That was my main problem with this wig, was the length. I feel like I wanted to cut it short so bad, which I think I will do. I think I will cut it into a bob and then curl it, see how I like it, or I will curl it first, see if it needs to be cut. That's why I said follow me on Instagram so you can see what this wig turned out to be, because I feel like I'm not really done with this wig. I even thinking about colorway. There's so much I want to do with this wig. This was gonna be like a type of wig that I experienced with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.